What child is this who lay to rest on Mary's lap is sleeping, whom angels greet with anthems sweet, while shepherds watch are keeping? So bring him incense, gold, and myrrh. Come, peasant king, to own him, the King of kings. Salvation brings. Let loving hearts enthrone him.
What child is this? A question that echoes through the ages, drawing us into a moment of profound wonder and reflection. It's a contemplative query, inviting us to ponder the identity of the child born under such extraordinary circumstances. This simple question sets the stage for a narrative filled with mystery and awe. As we delve into the lyrics of What Child Is This?, the song's rich narrative unfolds. This timeless carol poses a question that kindles curiosity and invites introspection. The child sleeping on Mary's lap is none other than Jesus. The image of a newborn, peacefully resting, symbolizes purity and innocence, the embodiment of divine love born into our world. The angels' greeting with anthems sweet represents the heavenly joy and celebration at the birth of Christ. Their anthems, filled with sweetness, denote the sanctity and divine grace that Jesus brings. The shepherds keeping watch signify the humble and the ordinary. They stand as witnesses to this divine miracle, a testament to the idea that the divine can touch even the simplest of lives. In the fold of these lyrics, we find a narrative that encapsulates the wonder, the mystery, and the profound significance surrounding Jesus' birth. Through its poignant lyrics, What Child Is This? Invites us into a moment of deep contemplation and awe. The beauty of What Child Is This? Lies in its ability to evoke a sense of wonder and mystery. As we've journeyed through the lyrical landscape of this timeless carol, we've come to appreciate its profound depth. Each word, each phrase, invites us to ponder the incredible event that unfolded on a starlit night in Bethlehem. The child, resting on Mary's lap, greeted by angelic anthems and watched by humble shepherds, is no ordinary child. This is a moment of divine intervention, a moment that forever changed the course of human history. And so, we come full circle, back to the question that started it all. What child is this? A question that continues to inspire wonder and awe, reminding us of the profound mystery at the heart of the Christmas story.
What child is this?